these are the fresh scented Scrubzz rinse-free shampoo cap. 1 in a pack. This is no water option, no sink, no mess, just massage in the hair and towel dry. So you take it, you put it on your head, okay, and you're just gonna massage into the scalp. No rinse is needed, so easy to use. You could do it at the bedside, you can do it anywhere. You don't need a shower or a sink. Such a simple process that makes the hair washing feel less stressful. And the fresh scent definitely helps the hair feel clean without being overpowering. This really helps for elderly care when washing hair is very difficult. We've all been there, gross hair after surgery. This is a good solution to make somebody feel much better. Easy for hospital stays, travel, or even camping, or in an emergency kit. These are very useful. And I like that they're going to help someone feel cleaner and more put together without a full shower. Just put it on, massage, take it off. No rinsing, just brush through. Highly recommend the Fresh Scent Scrubzz Rinse-Free Shower Cap. There's 1 cap in the pack. This review is sponsored by the brand.